So we have a file inside our project inside the Git repository, and without a commit we have added a content to a file and we haven't committed it. So what is the step to create a new commit? First we have to add that file. Git add space dot you can give, or you can specify the file name. So what is the difference between git add dot or git add file name? So there is a difference between it. I will tell you. If we create changes in multiple files, and if you if you run the command git status, you will have multiple files. Imagine a scenario. I just need to commit this changes alone and leave this input.txt changes as it is. It should be untracked. In that case, git add file name. This will just add that add that changes in that hello world file to commit. Or if I add git add dot, it will add both the files to the commit. Now git status, it will tell you that changes to be committed. You have two new files named hello world.txt and input.txt. It is ready for commit now. Now how can I commit it? There is a command git commit -m. Inside double quotes you can add a commit message. So whatever description you want, you can add it. Just enter. Now the file is committed. This is how you can create a new commit in your Git repository.